Dr. Anil Tiwari sir, our guest for the today's inaugural session, Dr. Vidhu, Sane, all esteemed HOIs and all my dear faculty members and dear participants. A very warm welcome on this occasion of workshop, a 5-day workshop on intellectual property rights organized by Amity School of Applied Sciences in collaboration with UP Science and Technology, sponsored by them. So I welcome you all for this session over here. As you may have a little bit insight what intellectual property rights are, but may not be very much aware what exactly it means to you and how you can utilize those, or you can benefit your intellectual achievements. So for that, this IPR workshop we have thought of organizing so that each of our faculty and students be aware of the intellectual property rights. As we know that intellectual property right plays a very important role in the development of science and technology, and we do require extensive knowledge for intellectual property rights so that whatever creation, whatever research, collaboration we are doing, we should be able to protect our achievements. We should be, and not only that, how should we be able to protect our achievements, we should not be able to indulge in any kind of infringement or copying others' documents so that we do not get disturbed on that account. So this IPR workshop, I hope we have been able to gather scientists and educationists to talk about various aspects of IPR, how to not to do plagiarism or not use any other's copyrighted work, and how you can make yourself safe not to indulge in any kind of this thing. So different people, different scientists from different organizations and institutions are involved in this 5-day workshop, and through this 5-day you will be listening to their thoughts and you will be able to gather information so that you can be able to utilize that information to protect your intellectual achievements. So welcome you all on this occasion. Thank you very much for being present. Just keep attending it seriously. Thank you.
Our respected guest this morning, Dr. Vidhu Sane, my colleagues, Dr. Asita, Kulshrestha, Dr. Tiwari, and dear friends, young friends I must say, a very good morning to all of you. Yeah, the ones at the last I said good morning. That's nice. It's really great to have this workshop this fine morning on intellectual property rights. And we are indebted to a learned scientist like Dr. Vidhuji, who is amongst us, in spite of her busy schedule, to talk to you about IPR in biotechnology. I guess from applied sciences we have got, and from ASIC we have got a very large number of students. How many are students from applied sciences? Please raise your hand. Wonderful. And how many from ASIC? Good, very nice. So once again, a very warm welcome to Dr. Vidhuji. Ma'am, this welcome is not only on our behalf, but on behalf of our founder president, Dr. Ashok Chauhanji, who's a great visionary. And it is the product of his vision that we have around 13 universities in India and 14 campuses outside India. Our university over here has about 6,000 students with 300 plus faculty members. Our mother university in Noida has about 40,000 students. And from there, they exercise academic control over our overseas campuses in Tashkent and in Dubai, and one in Greater Noida as well. This is all vision of our Honorable Founder President, who wants India to be a knowledge superpower by 2030. This warm welcome is also on behalf of our Chancellor, Dr. Atul Chauhan ji, who's a great thought leader, and Dr. Asim Chauhan ji, our beloved Chairman of Amity University Lucknow campus, who's also Chancellor of Amity University Haryana and Rajasthan. It is their vision unfolding now that you see at Amity University Lucknow campus. Dear students, let me tell you, you all are very lucky that right in the first year you are witnessing such intellectual discourse. How many of you use Chat GPT? Please raise your hand. Good, good. The ones at the last row, how many of you know Chat GPT? How many of you have used? Right. So those who have not used, the ones they have raised their hand should teach them how to use Chat GPT. And how many of you use it to write an assignment? How many of you use it? Yeah, very good, very good, right. So let me tell you, there was a very, very massive court case against various AI tools. It was because whatever Chat GPT generates, it's generative technology, generative AI technology. Unlike normal search engine, it doesn't pick up something and give you. It works on that search engine and produces a new altogether thing, almost new. And then it gives it to you. It can almost write your assignment. You already know that. Now in the same way, there was a huge case against Google. They said the tool that you have produced actually is infringing a large number of copyrights because it's actually generating text based on the learning experience it gathers from everything that is there on the internet. Every message, every video, every song, every text which is there is manipulated, learned, and ChatGPT produces a response. If that be so, then your assignment is also plagiarized. And you know what is plagiarized assignment? It means majority of you will be writing a term paper. If you do not know, this term paper is NTCC. I think your faculty would have briefed you about it. Now after you write this term paper, we carry out a plagiarism check. And if you do not meet the requirement of the plagiarism, then you have to repeat your NTCC. You fail in NTCC. So you fail in NTCC not for performing, but for copying, plagiarism, right? So this kind of workshop really exposes you to intellectual property rights issue and how to be very, very sensitive. It tells you another very big thing, that you people are all very intelligent and you are capable of producing an original creative work, and we can have a look at that work and perhaps you can have a patent in your name. There are a very large number of students who are part of our patents. This is because you all are capable. If you really understand how to do a new creative work, it's very, very important. Right? So my warm good wishes to each and every one of you. Please go through this workshop very, very carefully. We are indeed indebted to UP Council of Science and Technology, who have funded this entire intellectual discourse on IP rights. They have provided funding for this, and the funding has been done so that our students can be actually exposed to various intellectual property rights, laws, and various issues, and you can learn from them and do real good creative work. God bless you all. Do a great job. Do not sleep in the morning, right? Wonderful, Jai Hind.